Hello friends, welcome to Gardening with Creekside. I am Jenny and welcome to our weekly nursery update. We have a little bit of an announcement, a little bit of a departure from our weekly nursery update. I'm not going to be looking at a whole lot of plants today, but we are going to be explaining and announcing our latest project that we're going to be doing here at the nursery. We are going to be building and installing a brand new greenhouse for the next growing season. Yes. If you've been around Creekside for very long, you know that we always have a project up our sleeves, and this is going to be our big building project for this season. We are standing on the pad where the greenhouse will be, so everywhere that you see gravel will be where the greenhouse is going. It is going to be a 30-foot wide, 72-foot long greenhouse, very similar in looks to the one that is to my right, but this one will be fully automated, where this one that we have to the right is not heated. We don't have a heater in it, and then the sides and the doors, they do roll up, but that is manual. This new one that we're going to be installing will be heated, so we'll have a heater, and then all of the sides and the doors, all that good stuff will be automated. So if we find out that it's going to be chilly one night, we can come over and hit a button and the sides will roll down, and vice versa. If it's going to be a nice toasty day, we can hit a button and the sides will roll up. We do that because it's a great way to control temperature. The plants get hardened off, being in more of a little bit of a natural growing conditions with the temperatures. And we will have, the doors will be rolling doors as opposed to roll-up doors. Jerry is mouthing something at me. Have no idea what he just said. What would you like to say, darling?
It's controlled by a thermostat.
It's controlled by a thermostat. Oh, the automation is? Oh, we'll see, it's even better than that. But still, we could still come over here and hit a button. Yeah. So, but it is controlled. The roll-up sides will be by thermostat. So if it hits, I'm just picking a number. If it hits 50 degrees, the sides will go down. If it hits 60 degrees, the sides will go up. Whatever. Okay, that's it in a nutshell. So basically this greenhouse is like a giant version, an adult size version of either Legos, Lincoln Logs, hopefully not Tinker Toys, or the, what is that, the Build-A-Sticks, you know, the sticks and they all come crumbling down. So let me show you. Oh, it got delivered this week. Here we go into a tractor trailer. So this is our greenhouse. Hello, welcome to that. So I'm gonna hop up in here and Jerry's showing you some of the fun things that are in here. I'm gonna grab the mic for a second, the camera rather, and we're gonna go in here. So in here, hopefully this is a pretty good angle. There we go. All right, so in this trailer, we have all of the parts that will make that 30 by 72 foot greenhouse. This big mama jama right here is the heater. So thankfully it's on a pallet so we can just slide it out, lift it out, but this will be the heater that will be hung, yes, inside, be hung inside the greenhouse. All the different parts. I mean, there's like, you know, look at this. So all the different bars, all the different bows and trellises, and then we've got just tons of stuff. Oh, these are fun. So let's see, hopefully nothing will come crashing down. Is over here, I don't know if, can you get that, Jerry? These are going to be the doors. So these will be the sliding doors. What's in the white bags, that is the roll-up sides. So they're kind of a cloth-like fabric in a way. What I'm standing on is, it is wrapped in black, but this is actually the protective wrapping on it. This is the thick plastic that will be for the roof and all of that. So we're gonna have a really fun November, December. It will have to be up and operational by, gosh, middle of January. Yeah, roughly middle of January. So in this greenhouse, our plans are for a ton of annual material. So the floors will be full of the 4-inch quart size Proven Winners annuals. We'll have hanging baskets hanging from the ceiling, and then we'll use the unheated greenhouse for perennials that don't need to have a whole lot of heat, other shrubs maybe that need a little bit of going on, even hanging baskets up there. So Creekside is growing yet once again. We hope to have lots of fun things. We hope, it is our goal, that we will be able to do online shopping and ordering and shipping for next spring. So we've had a ton of interest of people asking us when we will begin shipping plants. So it is our intent, it is our prayer, it is our goal to have that ready to go spring of 2021. And one step to that is getting this greenhouse up and going. So we're going to keep you updated on all that's going to go on with this greenhouse. There will be lots of videos going and how this all comes together. It is a lot of fun. Now that we put one together, hopefully it'll be a little bit easier to do, but we'll see. So stay tuned in the coming weeks and months for those videos. As always, thank you so much for gardening with Creekside. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you next time. Bye, friends.